Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add a line in Google Docs using multiple simple methods. So let's get started. So firstly open browser, then we are click on the Google Apps. Here you will see Docs, click on the Docs. Then click on blank document. Firstly add a line using horizontal line tool. Click on insert. Here you will see horizontal line. Click on it. You will see the horizontal line will be added. You can type anything you want. Second method is add a line using drawing tool. Again going to insert. Here you will see drawing. Then click on new. Then you can choose line tool. You can select line. How much line do you need? Then save and close. Here you will see line will be added. This method is perfect if you want to resize or move the line freely. Third method is using keyboard shortcut. You can type 3 hyphens, then press enter. Google Docs will automatically convert into a horizontal line. You will see. And that's how you can add a line in Google Docs using different methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. Thanks for watching.